Okay, ma'am. So as you mentioned, your daughter helps you, right? While making some little bit food also. As you told me, your daughter knows how to make dosa. But literally tell you, I tried so many times to make dosa, but I couldn't make perfect dosa as we get from our restaurant or any dhaba. So could you
Yes.
tell me how should I make dosa on the griddle so that not stick? I tried sometimes stick, but sometimes not. And yes.
Does it attach to your pan?
So is there need iron pan or sorry griddle or non-stick
No, we are using iron, ma'am. Iron
iron?
griddle. Oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
And also it depends on the batter, ma'am. The consistency of the batter, the amount we are adding to the batter, and everything. Well, before making dosa, we have to set that iron tawa, iron pan for making dosa, and we should not apply ghee for our first dosa. And we have that custom. First we have to do that small amount of batter, and we have to make one small amount of dosa for a dog, and then next from the second dosa we can have it, and for the second and third we use oil, and from after third we can add ghee, ma'am. Then we'll get the crispy dosa like hotels.
Crispy, yeah, crispy. Now I
Yes.
uh, got that
Okay.
particular word. Okay.
Okay.
So, first of all, if we want to try first dosa, so just we take small amount,
Yes.
for trial, as a trial, right?
Trial, yes.
So
And that is,
just we need to spring the water, or what is the
yes, first
process?
we have to see whether it has that hot. Then
Yeah,
have to sprinkle some water on it, and take small amount of batter, and do dosa by putting some
without
oil.
greasing, without greasing oil.
Yeah, you have to do little oil for that.
Okay.
Then
First of
okay,
all, we
turn it
have
over
to
or flip
grease
it
the
over.
pan. First of all, we have to grease the pan. Then we
No,
have
first
to.
of all, we no need to grease, ma'am. We can directly apply the batter, and we can flip it over. Then the second thing, for the second thing, we can just grease the pan, and can continue the battering process, applying the batter.
Second dosa. Put second dosa.
For second dosa is, for second and third, we if we use oil instead of ghee, then it would be nice. Afterwards, from fourth dosa, we can start with ghee.
All right. Hello. Your video is stuck now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now okay.
Okay, and is other than dosa, she knows to make coconut chutney also, and she knows the ingredients, the quantity, even the salt quantity. I don't say her to put this amount of salt and all. From Sheila, ma'am, I listened to one thing. Her mom, she used to tell, you see the quantity of the ingredients and put salt based on that. She told in one video, so I followed that to my daughter. You see the ingredients, see the quantity, and put add salt for that. So I'm not telling
Okay.
her put okay pinch of salt or this much amount of salt. So see the ingredients and add it. I'm following her method.
Wow, great. That's a great,
And
I
she's very
can say.
interested in cooking, ma'am. My daughter, she's very interested in cooking, but I'm not that much interested in cooking. I do everything with 100% effort, but my passion is towards arts, like technology side, English side. But her interest is towards English, birds, animals, that type, that side.
Wow, great. What should I say? Yes. Mm, we know why our, I can say, interest decreased day by day as a mom, being a mother, because we have, I think, so many responsibility. That's the reason we have to do everything at the same time. So maybe
Yes.
that's the reason decrease our passion or Yeah, I
ma'am.
can see passion day by
What
day.
I do is basically I give responsibility to everyone. Before going anywhere, I make sure that I give responsibility to everyone. I ask my elder one to take water bottle, my husband to take the extra clothes and towels for our kids, and my younger one to take my mobile and keep that in my pouch. So I distribute the works among everyone. So I
Wow,
don't
that's amazing.
burden everything on my hand. If something is missing, also they don't blame anyone. They don't blame myself. It's their
Yeah.
responsibility.
Yes, that's
So I make
amazing,
sure.
I can say. That's
Yes.
amazing method. I really appreciate you. You know,
Yes.
there are, I can say, so many mothers, they just take responsibility on their own self, or they consider
Yes.
always my kid is still small, like that. But I have also one kid. He is a 9-year old. I also teach him how to warm water on the gas
Mhm.
and how to make cold coffee, so how to
Oh.
warm milk. I also teach them. And at the same time, I have one of my sister-in-law. She has also same age of boy, but she afraid to send his in the kitchen. She told me,
Okay.
I thought if I told him to lit the gas and warm water, warm milk, so maybe he can be injured. So I told him, uh, how until when we just always ready to him or her to help, right? We are not always free. So until when we just afraid, no, I can't send him kitchen, I can't tell him any work related to fire, related to our gas. If we afraid, so how can our children learn, right?
Yes. Yes, correct. Correctly said, ma'am. You are absolutely correct. But we should stand with them and we have to guide them that you have to give some one-arm distance
Yes, right,
between you
right.
and your stove and the stove, and they should know what will happen, the consequences. If something
Yes,
bad thing happen, they should know the consequences. If they are aware of that, then they will do that with utmost precautions,
yes,
utmost care. Instead of saying no, it will affect you, it may burn you if you touch it or anything happen. Before that, we should have informed that uh, this is very hot and you have to stand like this, and you should not touch it, and you have to do that by in this way. We have to teach them everything, and
yes,
for the
yes.
beginning stage we have to stand with them, ma'am. We have
Yes,
to
right,
guide them.
absolutely right. We can't stay your kid lonely while initiative days. As like my kids goes to the kitchen and just we are free from them. No, we have
No,
to
no.
check. Yes, we have
Yes,
to
yes,
check.
yes.
Yeah.
We have to give our utmost care, ma'am. She knows
Yes,
to
yes.
boil the milk nowadays. Actually, she knows everything. She knows to prepare. She knows to prepare tea.
Mm-hmm.
She's very interested in making tea, so she knows that. And I
Okay.
allow her also to do that because I stand there. I stand along with her and make sure that she's doing everything properly with proper guidance, with proper precautions. So always
Mm-hmm.
I instruct her how to do that and how not to do. So
Yes,
she obeys, and now
absolutely
she
right.
is able to do it on her own. But even though I'm not allowing her to do on her own, I always stand behind her while she
Mm-hmm.
is doing.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. When my son started to lit the gas, so I always told him, you have to sit straight. Don't like your body posture like that.
Ouch.
Whenever you want
Yes.
to lit the gas, so you have to face far away from gas, because
Mm.
our kid, uh, if our kid go to the kitchen, so this is our responsibility to teach them again and again, and to
Mm.
I can say remain them again and again. You have to
Yes.
follow this kind of rule until and unless they become habitual.
Yes. Correct. Correctly said, ma'am. And we have
Right.
to keep the windows open when we are doing something in stove. And
Yes.
we should explain them why we are opening the window, what is the need of it, and it should be ventilated. The kitchen room should be ventilated. We have to tell the need of it. What is the use of this and all, and they will understand, ma'am. They will understand gradually.
Yes, right. Then ma'am, I gave one demo to my sister-in-law. Even he is elder than me, but he is really very conscious about their kid. He really afraid their kids about their kids. So I gave her one demo. I asked her if if you like want my son ride cycle, right? Until and unless you don't allow to send outside to ride the cycle. So hello.
Yes, correctly said.
Yes,
How does he know to cycle it, ride the
yes.
cycle?
Yeah, how does he know ride the cycle, and how does he know what is the right way? Should I ride in
Correct.
this side or should I ride left side? So how
Yes.
they know? How does he know everything? And if you allow them and you tell the every I can say every rules, then he is able to ride the cycle on the road. Otherwise
Mm.
he always afraid from the vehicles.
Yes.
So then she said to me, yes bhabhi, you are right. But
Yes.
I don't know, I don't know why am I afraid too much.
Completely agree, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes.
And if we allow our kids from childhood, so they can also become habitual, as well as uh, when they become grown up, so they don't feel lethargic to go to the kitchen to do anything, to do everything with ourselves. When we thought, when my kids grown up, when 18 plus, then I will teach them everything. So at that time they become like lethargic. They don't want to do anything,
Yes.
even they don't want to take a glass of water. They
Yes.
they always accept acceptation from their mother.
Yes. But from the childhood, ma'am, we have to teach them everything. And we should not
Yes,
say that you don't come to me, don't disturb me, I'm busy with kitchen work, please don't disturb me, go there and do some other work, watch TV, watch mobile. We should
yes,
engage them along with us. We have to explain them every progress, everything. Then they will think that, okay, mama is also doing and she is also guiding us.
yes,
And
right,
if they want
absolutely.
to accompany us, we should accept that. We should have that
Hmm.
endurance to do everything. We should have that patience to explain them, ma'am.
Yes, right. Ma'am, what happened one day? I was frying something like snacks. So my son suddenly came to in the kitchen. Then I taught him, beta, if I am cooking something, so don't stay with just next to me. You have to talk far from me. If you want to ask something, so you have to sit. If you have to stand far from me, because sometime uh, like snacks or any like water things, like sometime cheete bahar aate hain. I don't know exact uh, meaning of English. So then
Any
whenever
snack
he,
item, ma'am?
sorry,
Snack item? Snack item?
no,
Snacks?
as like we if when we something frying, so sometime some oils drops come
Burst.
out, right? Yeah, I can say
Burst.
drops come out. Yeah.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yeah, when we something frying water, like water
Yes.
things, so drops
Yes.
come out, oil drops come out. So I
Yes.
taught him. So whenever he come to the kitchen, he always stand near the door. Mama, are you frying something? I said to him,
Okay.
no, no, I'm not frying right now. Mama, you told me now you should stand far from the gas.
Yes.
I said to him, yes. First of all, you don't come, my son just in a hurry come in the very rush mode and ask something. Then I told him, then he remember. So I realized,
Yes.
if we teach our kid instead of angry, so they can understand everything.
Yes, of course. Actually, they value our words very much, ma'am. They remember even so many words which we taught them before a month, before 2 months, 3 months also. Sometimes we have to be very careful. Not sometimes, always we have to be very careful what we are speaking, even with a single word.
Yes, absolutely right. And if we do something wrong, so our kids at once they replied, "Mama, you deny me. You don't have to do like that activity. And why do you do?" So nowadays
Correct.
kids, I can say, very smart. So
Yes,
they
if with
immediately interrupt
questioning
you.
us, they
Yes,
are very
questioning us.
smart when it comes to questioning us.
Yes, absolutely right. So, ma'am, here, would you like to suggest something for those are new mother, those are really very scaring about to teaching something, especially in the kitchen. So, would you like to say something, or should we wrap
Yes,
up the
ma'am.
session? Yes.
No, I would like to say that you please, if your kids want to be with you, don't say them no. You allow them to be sit with you and give a place for them, or make a chair, get a chair from outside and ask them to sit on a chair and let them watch what you are doing. And while doing that, you explain them what you are doing. And I am cooking food for you all, and it is a nutritious food. It will give you energy and your sufficient thing for your life. And for you all, I'm doing this. I'm so, what to say, I'm so loving you. So I'm doing this with almost care. So if we explain some good things to them when we are doing cooking, then it will register to their mind.
Yes,
Instead of
definitely.
saying, I have work, please don't disturb me. You please go there and do some other work. Instead of saying this, instead of showing our regrets to them, we can explain our part, what we are doing to them, so that they can understand everything and anything.
Yes, right, ma'am. Absolutely, I resonate with your point. So, here I would like to share one of my point. Mm, Actually, that point is really very good, but I forget. Instead, forget. Uh, what I want to share. Yes, huh. When we cook something for especially our kids, right? So, especially if I talk about myself, I always expectation from my kids. He says something, wow, like that, wow, mama, it's so too much delicious. Yeah, I really like this food, or I don't like this food. Something, at least something said. So, if I willingly cook something delicious for my kid, right? Then when I serve him, then he just simply eat and he never give me feedback. And I always expectation feedback. So I asked him, Lakshya, I cooked for 1 hour, but I gave you, it's not delicious. So he said to me, no, mama, it's too much delicious. Then I asked him, why don't you say, mama, it's too delicious? Then he said to me, mama, it's too much delicious. Then I again asked him, uh, you feel delicious? He said to yes. So I teach him, if you feel delicious, so you can say, wow,
Yes.
mama, it is really very delicious. How do you cook? You can ask like that, and you don't
Mhm.
show me your expression. If you like very much, so you have to change your way of giving your feedback. If you like very
Mhm.
delicious, so you told me, wow, mama, this food is really very delicious. I enjoyed a lot. If you like little bit, then you can say, mama, it is delicious, but not as much as I want. So I teach him, you should also learn how to give feedback.
Okay. Fine, fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Fantastic. Is he
Yes.
following that?
Sorry.
Is he following that, ma'am?
Yes, now he is following, and now he goes to their sorry, whenever he goes to Nani house, so now he also feedback their masis. Then his
Mm.
masis become so happy when he give
Okay.
feedback. So I can say we should also teach our kids feedback. It's not
Yes.
necessary just to they give feedback only their mother, as like they go any particular relatives. If our kids give them feedback, so it's become a habit, I can say.
Mhm.
What do you think
Correct.
about feedback? Really important?
Yes, ma'am. It is really important, and it gives us the energy. What to say, the happiness, and
Yes,
also
right.
it gives us how to correct and how to rectify our mistake.
Yes, right, right. And we also know what food my kids like more and what things don't like. We also know
Yes,
everything. But
yes, ma'am.
earlier my son just eat simply. But now I teach him if you like, so you can give feedback to your mom so that your mom also can understand what do you like really more or what
Yes.
do you not like or what do you like more, so you can tell me with expression, wow mama, today's food is
Mhm.
really very delicious, so that I can understand your feeling as well.
Okay.
So yes,
Yes, ma'am. Feedback is necessary. It is important.
yeah, it makes us happy, I can say,
Yes.
because every mother make food or cook food for their kids with wholeheartedly.
If of course, of course,
Yes,
we see to that it gives them the full energy of from the food, and we pray God sometimes while making food also.
yes, right. Okay, ma'am. So it was really very amazing conversation. If you want to add something, so you can add. Otherwise, we should wrap up the session.
Yes. Along with this, we should teach our children our custom, our rituals, our religious practice also, ma'am. Then they are the future pillars of our nation, and I believe that our nation is with them. So
Mhm.
along with everything, we have to teach them why we are following some rituals, customs, some beliefs. What is the thing behind the beliefs? It is not superstitious. Something is there. So we have to explain them everything, ma'am. We can do that during night before going to sleep. We can say that as a story so that it will fix to them. It will stick with them always.
Yes, absolutely right. And
No.
what do you think, ma'am, about worship? As like our kids under 7 or under 9. So should they also start worship of meditation?
Not I'm not saying meditation, but they should know why we are following certain rituals, ma'am. What is the need of this what is the need of this ritual, and what is the science behind it, and what is the tradition behind it? So, for
Yes, I.
example, here we are celebrating Pongal in Tamil Nadu. We celebrate Pongal, and we
Mhm.
on that day it is our duty to explain them what is the thing behind Pongal and why are we doing that. We are actually thanking the nature, sun, the farmers, everyone, the cattle on that precious days. So we
Mhm.
have to see to get one piece of rice, the steps, the work behind that. We have to explain them. The what are the effects and what are the hard works behind that piece of rice, that one rice. So if they know the value of everything, they will not waste it. So
Yes,
I
absolutely.
think that if we make them to understand everything, then they will not waste it, and they will not what to say. They will not ask for any unwanted things, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely right, ma'am. Yes, I can understand your point, but my next point is as like in our I can say religious in the morning we everyone like wake up early in the morning and worship in front of the our temple or our god, and we also give water of sun. So does our kid also do like that activity? What do you think?
I actually don't know, ma'am, whether you are following that, but we should allow them to watch what we are doing, and we have to
Mhm.
tell them after being like us. You also have to follow all these, and we have to tell them why we are doing this. When they
Mhm.
are curious to know these things behind it, we should not say then, no, 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 you no need to know everything now. When you are grown up, I'll tell you. But we should not they say like that. When they are asking, we should explain them the reason behind it. Why are we doing all this? So
Yes, absolutely right.
when time comes, they also will start doing that, ma'am.
Yes, actually, one of my friend told me, uh, our kid don't need to just lit the diya in front of the god or like dhoop batti, but at least we have to teach our kid at least to sit in front of the god or in the temple, our temple, to take the matha and to give the water for Surya Narayan. At least we have to teach them small habit,
Yes.
because if our kids not doing from their childhood, so after big grown up, they don't take interest to do these kind of activity.
Yes, absolutely correct, ma'am. 100%.
Mhm.
100%.
Okay, ma'am. So should we wrap up the session now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Take care,
Okay.
ma'am. And please give me your precious time for my channel also. I'll ask you this week, ma'am.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. And it was really very amazing conversation, mesmerizing conversation. And I
Thank you so
hope
much.
those mother really afraid to send their kids in the kitchen. So this video also can help those mother. But before send the kitchen their kids, they definitely concern about their kids, or they have to stand beside them, or they have to, I can say, they keep their kids at the same time in their supervision.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yes.
Thank you so
Okay,
much for
ma'am.
having me
So
here, ma'am. Yes.
yes, okay, thank you so much. It's my pleasure, ma'am. Okay,
Thank
bye
you.
bye, nice to meet
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Thank
Yes.
you.
So ma'am, please